Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize account aggregation with Mint alternatives, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing account aggregation with Mint alternatives, first, select a reliable financial aggregation service. Visit the website or download the app of your chosen Mint alternative. Create an account by providing your email address and creating a secure password. Once your account is verified, log in to the platform. Navigate to the section for connecting bank accounts or financial institutions. Browse or search for the specific financial institutions you want to connect. Select the institution, and then click on the option to connect or add your account. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials for that institution. Ensure that you are using secure and trusted networks to enter sensitive information. Complete any additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication, if required. After successful authentication, allow the service to access your transaction data. Review the permissions required by the aggregation service and confirm them. Once your accounts are connected, check that the data is syncing properly. Explore the features offered by the service, such as budgeting tools or expense tracking. If you encounter any issues, consult the help or support section of the service. You can disconnect accounts anytime by revisiting the connection settings. Make sure to regularly monitor your connected accounts for security and accuracy. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the privacy policies of the service you are using. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.